Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. As we get this notification, come on and please share. Today I'm going to talk about the state of Nevada. Check this out. These people, they have a beautiful, beautiful website here. See if I can get it to play here. Look at this, just beautiful. Beautiful website. So yeah, you want to go down. They got all this info in here. Nevada. If you haven't been to Nevada, you gotta go visit. Okay, you're gonna go here. Click on that. It's gonna take you on a mission. This is the page here. Provider. You still got to create an account. This is the portal. Here's another link. I'll take you here. This is the application right here. Provider enrollment. Individual, group. Fill all this out. There's another one here. These are all the documents you need. All the booklets. All the info. This one is pretty straightforward. Easy to find. Yeah, but this is Nevada. You can make a lot of money in Nevada. And just this website is just amazing. How they got it hooked up. But hey, that's Las Vegas over there. You know, they got all the money over there. So yeah, check this out. Fill out the application, get approved, and start a 7-figure profitable, lucrative medical transportation business. And then branch out. Sky's the limit. So, till next time, thank you for listening and God bless. Peace, Big Mike. I'm out.